Welcome back. Televisions and other costly electrical items got damaged due to short circuit in a LT line at Bhati-Shiroda on Tuesday afternoon. Around 30 houses in the surrounding areas got hit. Affected people have urged government to assess the loss and provide them relief. They have also demanded another transformer for Bhati area.
आणि परत वेगवेगळे हांवें लायट पेटयली पळयल्यार ते हाय वोल्टेज जाल्ले आसा फ्रीज ऑफ केलें आनी भितर लायट येता ती पळोवन मागीर सगळें ऑफ केलें फॅन बी सगळें
हें बंद केलें आनी हांव भायर येयलें म्हणजे आतां हांगसर कितें जाता धम्म करून टीव्हीचो आवाज येयलो आनी त्या हेतूंतल्यान धुंवर येवपाक लागलो आनी तो हेजो फ्रिजाचेर धुंवर येता पूण खंयच्यान म्हाजो जीव आसल्यार पाव बाबा अशें म्हटलें आनी हांव धांवन भितर गेलें तेंचे फुड्यान कितें जालें म्हाका भितर वयत जाल्यार बल्ब पडलो सकयल
2:20 म्हाज्या आईन म्हाका कॉल केलो ऑन द वे आशिल्लो
बेगीन यो म्हणून सांगलें
आईन म्हाका म्हणलें बेगीन मातसो घरा हांवें आईक विचारलें कितें जालें सांगना जाली हांवें जस्ट कॉल केलो हांगा घरा येयलो पयल्यार कंप्लीट स्मेल येतालो मागीर हांवें ऑन केलो जाल्यार फ्रिजाक फूल जळेलो वास येता मागीर हांवें मिटर बीन तो स्विच ऑफ केलो कित्याक सगळें हातलेले शॉक येतालो मागीर आमी आमचे हेल्प घेवन वाड्याचे भुरगे आहा ते ऑफिसान गेले आनी जस्ट इन्फॉर्म केलें जेईक कॉल केलें आनी तेंचे स्टाफ आहा तांकां मागीर ते म्हणपा लागले खंय सकयल खंय तरी एक ट्रान्सफॉर्मर वायर तुटल्या आनी ताका लागून हाय वोल्टेजीन प्रॉब्लम जाला आनी इन्सिडंट खूब जाणांक जाला कित्याक खूब जाण येयले तेन्ना आमकां सांगपा लागले आमचेय बीन जळ्ळा म्हणून आतां आमकां दिसता कितें गोवोरमेंटान आमकां मातशें कितें हेल्प दिवचें कितें आमचें आतां कंप्लीट लॉस जाला आनी कितें परत आमकां नवीन घेवपा जायना आमी खंय त्रास काडटा करता एक लास्ट गोवोरमेंटान आमकां एक बारीक हेल्प करचें कित्याक
आमचे प्रॉब्लेम आसा ते बेगीन सॉल्व करचे आनी लोकांक आदार करचो आनी तेच बरोबर हें कितें वायट घडलां आतां कोणाक टीव्ही लासल्या कोणाक फ्रीज घडला तेन्ना तांकां वीज अधिकाऱ्याच्या मार्फत चवकशी जावन तांकां कॉम्पेन्सेशन दिवचें अशें हांव पंचायती कडेन आनीक वीज खात्याच्या अधिकाऱ्याच्या मार्फत दिवचें आनी सरकारान हितून लक्ष घालून आमकां ताबडतोब आमचे जे कितें इश्यू आसात फॉर एग्जाम्पल आमकां ट्रान्सफॉर्मर नवीन जायो हांगसर घर वाडलेलें आसा कनेक्शन भरपूर जाल्लें आसा तेन्ना ह्या सगळ्या लोकांक त्या पासून मुक्ती दिवची आनी बेगिना बेगीन 2 ट्रान्सफॉर्मर हांगा बसोवचे.
NCP has criticized Forest Minister Alina Saldana on special status to Goa. Trajano de Mello said Alina has embraced the RSS dharma. However, Alina has reacted sharply on the statement. She said remarks by Trajano are selfish and with vested interest. She is hopeful that special status will be granted to Goa if BJP is elected at the centre.
Environment Minister Alina Saldana is hopeful of special status to Goa if BJP government comes to power at the centre. NCP feels Alina had embraced RSS dharma.
Last of all, the NCP is very clear with all putting all these questions before her that Alina has embraced the RSS dharma.
Alina reacted sharply to Trajano's statements.
As far as hypocrisy is concerned, I think all of us need to do a lot of introspection before we point a finger at others. And I would like to say that the statement made reflects selfish, vested interests. Because what I have said it solely with Goa's interest at heart and the welfare of the people of Goa.
While addressing activists at the Goa's movement for special status meet in Panji on Saturday, Alina had also said that she would resign if the BJP government denies the special status. Reporter Mahesh Gadi with video journalist Omkar Falari and Dinesh Karpe for Prudent.
The High Court has rejected State Hoarding Association's plea to dispose of the public interest litigation dealing with illegal hoardings in the state. The High Court has observed that illegal hoardings crop up at regular intervals and continuous monitoring is required to control the illegalities.
Issue of illegal hoardings along the state highways is before the High Court. During the hearing on Tuesday, State Hoardings Association informed the bench that almost 3,000 illegal hoardings have been removed following court's previous orders. Association also said that this petition is pending for a long time and pleaded to dispose of the matter. while opposing hoarding associations claim that illegal hoarding have been removed. Amicus Curiae produced photographs of hoardings erected violating the law. Amicus Curiae said that as per the law, there should be a gap of 5 meters between two hoardings, but at many places hoardings are clustered. The High Court observed that hoarding issue is a never-ending matter. Illegal hoardings are erected on different occasions like birthdays of high-profile personalities. The petition cannot be disposed as it requires continuous monitoring. The court has adjourned this matter for 2 weeks. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Pedne Chief Officer K.D. Harnkar and Head Clerk Madan Shenvi Desai have been suspended. The suspension came after the vigilance report on alleged illegalities in Pedne municipality. The Personnel Department officials suspended the Chief Officer on Tuesday.
Tainted officers from Pedne municipality, Chief Officer K.D. Harnkar and Head Clerk Madan Shenvi Desai are facing action in the alleged bribery case. Pedne locals allege that the chief officer demands bribe for granting the NOCs.
इथून 2 जण इन्वॉल्व आले. एक मदन शेणवी देसाई आणि दुसरो चीफ ऑफिसर के.डी. हळणकर म्युनिसिपालिटी पेडणे. तेन्ना आम्ही पहिले गेले म्युनिसिपालिटीन गेल्या उपरांत आमकां म्युनिसिपालिटी डायरेक्टरा कडेन कळोवन चुकले की तेणी ताका सस्पेन्शन ऑलरेडी इश्यू केली म्हणून. पर्सनल डिपार्टमेंटान वचून हांवें अंडर सेक्रेटरी सिद्धी हाळेकाराक विचारलें की मॅडम म्हटलें कितें जालें तर मॅडम म्हणपाक लागली म्हाका कितें हे पळय तुजी फायल हाडूंक लायता आनी आमी काल करपाची आसली मातशें कितें तरी हेका लागून मिस्टेकी लागून आमी उरली तेन्ना आतां तेज्या ऑर्डरीचेर आपूण सायन आतां ऑर्डर करता ताका सस्पेन्शन.
Mahesh Pednekar has caught the chief officer Harnkar red-handed on camera while accepting bribe. This officer had demanded a sum of 700 rupees from Mahesh to grant a NOC for a Photoshop. Head clerk of Pedne municipality Madan Shenvi Desai was suspended on Monday, while suspension order of Harnkar was issued 24 hours later following reports by the Vigilance Department. Reporter Mahesh Gadi and Vinod Mehtar with video journalist Omkar Falari for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.